Stock market information for Strive Inc., ASST. Strive Inc. is an equity in the USA market. The price is 1.45 USD currently with a change of 0.00 USD, 0.00% from the previous close. The latest open price was 1.59 USD, and the intraday volume is 21,748 when day 8-1. The intraday high is 1.67 USD, and the intraday low is 1.41 USD. The latest trade time is Thursday, November 6, 1944, 50 EST. Here's an overview of ASST, ticker ASST, Strive Inc., and some thoughts on its prospects. Please note, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a certified advisor. Strive Inc. ASST completed a merger with ASST Entities Inc. and is repositioning itself as a Bitcoin-treasury plus asset management company. The company has raised substantial capital, e.g. $750 million, to fund a strategy of acquiring Bitcoin and building a large treasury. The company states its goal is to increase Bitcoin per share and position itself as a public Bitcoin treasury firm. ASST is extremely volatile, and its performance appears closely tied to Bitcoin's price movements. One analyst noted it could move by 4 to 5 times the magnitude of Bitcoin's swings. Key risks and caveats. Dilution risk. To fund its strategy, the company may issue more shares, which could dilute existing shareholders. Bitcoin correlation plus volatility. Because the value proposition is tied to Bitcoin, a drop in Bitcoin could significantly hurt ASST's stock. Execution risk. Transitioning from a social media marketing firm, ASST Entities, into a fully scaled Bitcoin treasury. Plus asset manager is ambitious and has operational risks. Valuation and unclear earnings. The business model is still emerging. Profitability may be distant and current valuations reflect speculative values rather than stable revenue streams. My take. What could happen? Given the above, here are 2 plausible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If Bitcoin price rises significantly and Strive executes its treasury build-out successfully, ASST could outperform as it is leveraged to that crypto upside. Also, if the company delivers asset management growth beyond just holding Bitcoin, the valuation could re-rate higher. Bearish scenario. If Bitcoin price drops or stays flat for a while, or if dilution accelerates before revenue materializes, ASST could underperform or decline. Since the business relies on external funding and crypto momentum, it carries high risk of downside. My rough prediction, not a guarantee, if I had to give a ballpark. In the next 6-12 months, assuming Bitcoin holds or rises modestly, ASST might trade in a range from $2 to $5, depending on timing, dilution, market sentiment. If Bitcoin crashes or the company stumbles, it might drop toward $1 or below. Over the longer term, 2 to 3 years. If the strategy works, it could be a multiple above current levels, but that's a high-risk, high-reward path.